Yeah, man, pudding ready now, man. Look at that, yeah, man. Make them know say I done the place, you know. Me are the top chef, you know. Yeah, man, sweet potato pudding. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we're there, man. Some late night chefings are going on. Look at that, at the top chef. Yeah, man. Some potato will come for, you know. See it all I run out. I will take up a few of them now. You know what I'm saying? And then you don't know what we are going to want some coconut. Look at that. We are going to take up a few of them in case them no good, you see me? Yeah, man, a sweet potato pudding a do it, man. Look at that. Yes, my people, it look like me left the ginger. I have to go pick up some ginger right now. Which way faster, yes sir? Ginger, the ginger there now. But yeah, man. Ginger good for you, you know, that can make some good ginger tea in a morning time. But the ginger they do about. Oh, look at that. The ginger, yeah. So then say, oh, you get your coconut milk next, you know. Don't take up that already, thing, just to show you how I go on. Alright, we are hunting down some brown sugar. We want to go the baking needs that them call it. Alright. Yeah, man. The sugar here, there. All type of sugar. Brown sugar. Where sugar them want, you know. See it at dark brown. Yeah, man. Look at that. One next step on the list. You don't know me have the rest of the ingredients them at home, you see me? I want a piece of parchment paper, you know. You see me? Them things they make the food not stick for a good reasonable price one day. You don't know me cheap, you know, man. Look at that. Alright. One next. Alright, frozen area. So the fridge area with milk and then thing there. You see me? Yeah, man. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Look at that. Yeah, man, we're there now, you know. Next time when you see me in the kitchen, you know, look at that, you know, at the top chef, you know. I don't know where the thing go. Yeah, man, big up, you know, big up. Yeah, man, there is a sweet potato pudding we are bake. Midnight. Look at that. Make them know say at the top chef, you know. Big up to everybody who subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. If you're not subscribed yet, the time is now. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing going in a place, you know.
When Marcus gave it the one God, one name, one destiny. Hey, when I wasn't talking about Muta.
They must say black people must have one God. That means all black people must have one God.
Muta, you know, the way we really look, we really never back right to that. We really never follow the Muta. His majesty also educated. What are we going to tell the little children them? That there is no God? That's what we're going to tell people, little children them?
No, when we are tell them, say, I listen to them.
I'm not joking, I'm not joking, man.
So what you tell them, say? You tell them, say, I listen to God.
The Lord God, I am a God. You've got to fight it because I believe
I am God. So I am God.
But His Majesty show clearly say, if I believe what I believe, then and your belief is so strong, then you should be more powerful than I. You shouldn't be fighting I.
No, so I is God then. So I is God.
You don't know about you. Me, you are God and you.
No, so I answer. If you say is God is, that means I is God.
No, I have to where I say, you have to where I say. If me I say God, I'm not saying, when me I say, then, and you so perfect, and you so right, then it shouldn't offend the eye.
No, it not offend the eye. No, Bridget, no, teacher, you know. Hear the point I am making. I not listen to what I say. when if I say Haile Selassie is God,
Yeah, and I said
you know
that.
what come in? The Christian mindset tricky.
The mindset thing is upon this mindset.
You know the mindset thing, and then the mindset is determined where you think.
No, so you don't love somebody if you don't have Marcus Garvey. You don't love them people, you know.
Alright. When you say God, where you talk about?
Oh, you mean just like a Marcus Garvey was talking about?
Where am I talking about when him say God?
No, see the Marcus Garvey talk. We need to reveal them things, the budget.
No, alright, me ask you. When
only for things, I just don't know people when you talk because they talk, but nothing we read them in a mood.
Yeah, but
and also, it's
when
a
you say God, where you talk about? When you say God,
where you talk about?
Yeah, when you say God, where you mean?
Yeshua.
Yeah,
Salvation.
When
I and I salvation. With money to tell us. Without God, if you don't without God, you're like a ship without a rudder. You go anywhere the body carry you know, you crash down in the existence.
Yeah, so may I ask you a question? When Haile Selassie say, if you don't believe in a God, it's like a ship without rudder. It's himself.
Yeah, Marcus Garvey come close.
I said, I'm finally finished. Look, this class, thank God, I'll never take it again.
No,
if you don't believe in a God, you're coming like
when Haile Selassie say,
all this stress cake.
if a man without God is like a ship without rudder.
Somebody can do the extra credit. Oh, hell no.
About as God.
But it's to me no more than a girl for God in that's not big enough.
That's why I don't know what's going on.
To
them already, that's
people are studying culture also in a university when me and the man get to go for big up the other day, also.
No, you're not, but you got something else, me I talk about something like that.
What is that mean?
When Haile Selassie say, a man who don't believe in God is like a ship without rudder. Is himself him talk about that's God?
Yeah, but that is you because you don't believe in God. I mean, it's not you now.
I am the ship without the rudder. I am the ship without the rudder.
I'm telling you more than you cannot witness that there.
I am the ship without the rudder, right?
You cannot win more. Neither your friend them. Don't football them.
I am the ship.
Because God is salvation, but
I may ask you a question. When the ship, if without the rudder is me, so who is the God in the statement?
Who is the God in the statement?
When Haile Selassie talk about God, so may I ask you who is God in the statement?
You have to stand up for God in the building. I'm going to kill you one day, your friendly matter. Angela, stand up for God. Yeah, but the man come here, man come here, look at that, Mr. Ben, godly creator. In the beginning was the word, and the word was God, and nobody can stand against that. You know, man, what I do because you see, tomorrow the promise to no man, you know. And the son of fight, you know, that just
whether you say God or not, it's no problem.
Champion, the cards
whether you say God or not, it's no problem.
People are some little joke people, them. Want to some
but you're not answering me, you know. When Haile Selassie say, a man without the chip is like...
You know, a big man in the bed, you know, go on like some little boy or some little girl around here.
God in the statement is who?
But the God of him, I'm talking about that, God is my shepherd. He is my shepherd.
Haile Selassie, Haile Selassie.
What do you mean? Because the aliens are eating when I come to the building. That's all the fight. It's not going to happen. You can't get it from our dad, then, you cannot go to the Ethiopia. I promise you that. You think you can get over the doctor? Anyway, that guy lives. Bless.
Me talk to see him in Ethiopia, Pastry. See him where me attack us up. Me go in at the temple. In a Lalipilla.
They gonna put a motor thing
a man without God is like a ship without the rudder.
Right there, I'm just watching.
Is it what you do?
Touch that there.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Discover Engineering.
That's the damn bad.
When Haile Selassie say a man without God,
Is it brown sugar?
who am I talking about?
Yeah.
Because I'm sure no the God is like Haile Selassie. And I'm saying who am I talking about? So you must tell me who am I talking about then when you say God. Because didn't you know God so you say Haile Selassie?
That's one thing you said, it's coconut tonight. We get that big
and
and
say, a man without God is like a ship
this
without
is
rudder.
right there, no Rasta.
So you deal with God in a Lego Haile Selassie.
I'm gonna give 1,000 taps.
Please,
Brinks and that.
big up yourself. What you mean? Alright, man.
Brinks.
Brinks, big up yourself.
That because I don't think that
Okay.
it's a big problem.
Not enough, you know. I don't want too much coconut, you know, because I'm great at the coconut tonight, you know. Wash this, you know.
This is got
Brinks, big up yourself, you know. You don't know the thing, you know. And Marie, thank you for the follow. Yeah, man. I got a YouTube channel, you know what I mean? Link in the bio.
You just need to be respectful of other people really can.
Everybody else
The
do
only
that.
thing you need to do, because if you're in Nigeria, you look talk about Africa, if you're in Nigeria where you have the Muslim and the Christian, what you're saying now, I feel basically only leave the people basically rioting and all type of people. Let me answer a question.
Yeah.
Let me answer a question. Over,
Yes, sir.
over 400 years of Christianity in Jamaica, have you seen Christianity be respectful of other religions?
Christianity has done a lot.
No, listen,
Has done a lot. Yes, sir.
For instance, the cruelty that has been perpetuated against minority groups, especially Rasta in Jamaica, this cruelty was done by people.
That's why you always go wrong. You always paint
Okay.
Christianity with a broad.
Oh, so
with a broad.
that
Can I
No,
go?
we can't see that, sir.
Can I go?
If a Rasta man,
No, okay.
I cannot say
Okay.
Don't you know that
Late night, dear kids.
sent out by Christians to kill us?
Hey, go again.
Recognize that it's Christian that has created more wars and
People do it different ways, you know.
You know, if it was a rat and a body, no, nothing about
Tell me no.
So that none of politically, because a Rasta, I'm a philosophy, I'm teaching the music. I'm Bob Marley go there, Bob Marley become the most popular black man ever. You know, see, I saw it go.
Alright.
Yes, they refuse. Up to the other day, they never want even. Up to this day, they don't want Rasta going to them school. Because we have cut off the land. My daughter,
Still your email
months
tonight.
ago, I tried to get her picnic in a school, and they said, nah, I love you when I cut off the land. Who do you think I said that?
Jazzy. Big up yourself, you know, Jazzy. My daughter named Jazzy, you know. Sweet, you know. What that? Lindan? Big up, you know, Lindan.
This long year business, we have lights now here.
Where you come from? New England.
Disrespect that. Tell me, most Jamaican have something terrible to say against Rasta. Most Jamaican.
I have an excuse
Jamaica
coconut.
is
Are you
2.7 million
using
people. Most Jamaican have some
Give
little
me a little
prejudice
thing
against
of
Rasta.
I'll cover it.
Most Jamaican. And most Jamaican claim Christianity.
It's a paper too.
So I now spread no brush, when it's a spread brush. As a matter of fact, I just deep Christian them. Not like Rasta.
Alright, right here now.
People them who really believe them are good man. Yeah, they really believe them are Christian. Them not like, watch a man. Remember when we live a man to go here, man. Errol Blair, man. Errol Blair. Sit down and listen to them.
Everyone preheat the oven now.
Before my big pitch up, man. When the man ready to talk into Rasta, you know. We don't have no power to come call leadership and talk about, oh, not disrespect Rasta, so. Then we get the power now to come on the radar. Take away half of the radar then. We could go sit down in a one dirty corner and barefoot.
Oh,
and smoke some
375.
dirty. Take away half of the
Preheat the oven at 375, you see me? This a potato and coconut grated together, you see me? If you blend it, you're gonna get a different texture. Isn't it? So we're gonna separate with dry ingredients. One more.
Which was not true.
I just want to look so.
It was not true. Because when you say Rasta talk about that is last. What kind of foolishness is that?
No, I don't want it.
You never ever get the tie on the chart. You never ever give Rasta a chance.
What is this? Why?
Rasta flat. Okay.
You don't think it's
No brethren.
Okay, man.
Where people hold him and take back and cut off in lines. And say Rasta on that idiot. When they did that about Tilasi. Cut all the dirty thing off on head. I'm that church and all them things. They want to go baptize and all. They baptize and buy, save you.
I want some coconut milk, man.
Christian mind do that. So when a man has a paintbrush with that, the man might not be born again Christian, but the mindset is embedded into this doctrine to the point where you can't see nothing else. Your Christian will never read a Quran. Your Christian will never read a Bhagavad Gita. Your Christian will never listen to a Buddhist, a Confucianism or a Hindu. They not listen. They don't want to hear nothing from them people because all them content that them people they are eating and fire will burn them in the light and your Rasta will light and thunder. You think a Rasta start that? A Christian mind start that. A Christian mind start that. The majority of people who run with life in Jamaica, the eternal fire, yes, and bottomless pit. I will bring up that. I will bring up that.
It's alright. 2 cans of coconut milk, you see me?
Because sometimes we are looking at the television, we can't say how the Christian fire burn and that. Then the Christian used to talk about fire stone for the whole thing. Christian mind doing that. Oh God, man, ventilation. Everything that you see here. Rasta come and say, one yo, heal the man.
I had some flour in it.
The Christian mind beat.
Touch water.
Hey, I'm Dr. Spencer Russell, and I'm Dr. Alex McCree.
The Rasta God come say, love me brethren. Yes.
Look for cornmeal for firmness. People don't use cornmeal, you know. But at the Top Chef way, I teach you a thing. If you know you're putting soft, you add a little cornmeal in it.
Then I me bring it up.
Alright. What should I... Oh, dang. Chances? Nothing meg.
I saw something and things said about
Oh, nothing meg. Don't know freestyle this thing, you know. It's still in me from a child, you know. Big up Miss Benita, you know. Don't know.
The minds of the people them with 500 years or more. It never work. And we have to make sure it don't work. And black people, when we come down and tell the people them say, look here, open your eyes to this reality. That when the dead is so, if you look on the history of the thing,
what the hell was that?
You talk about paintbrush.
Oh, something on the thing.
Look on the history of the something.
I thought that was my thing.
You realize
what the hell?
it's pure death and destruction for life. Pure death and destruction.
Oh, thank you.
At the evening, right?
Yeah, I think it's like
Nutmeg. You see what I go on? Nutmeg, you see me? Think one good enough still, no?
Just sit down and see all of them things that go on and have this mic in front
You
of
have to look them up on.
Yeah, just stand still here, bro. You know, your man has said, well, I moved out of the car, I'll touch you, what does no phone call. No phone call, you know. Yeah, I moved out.
I do not make.
Where Ralashan they have?
You not make after, you not make now. Remember, you have separate your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients. So we add not make cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Yeah, but you know, them can't tolerate that, you know. Even though they don't like
Add
it.
some cinnamon like it, isn't
Yes,
it?
the kids can't tolerate that, even though they don't like it. Yeah. But guess what?
Mix it up
It's when you
together.
come to the heart of the situation and say, look at them, we could talk about your Jesus. Where your Jesus could be eye first.
So your cinnamon,
And where
cornmeal,
Jesus
flour.
could be
Most people don't use cornmeal, so you don't have to. Me just put it in to firmness. You see me I
Give
say?
you a little sense of comfort.
Your cinnamon, you not make
I want to love him.
flour,
I
cornmeal,
love God.
and your potato, mix them
All I
together.
can hear of it is like an
I call this dry ingredients, you see me? It's too ready.
And then I will accept it. You think it's don't want, I don't want, because true. You understand? When you find the Buddha, kill him. That is a statement in the Buddhist tradition. They say Buddha
Coconut
is a
milk.
teacher. Is an enlightenment.
Your vanilla. What is vanilla?
That
Your
enlightenment,
vanilla.
it don't end.
The one from Benjamin. Smell good.
Because your journey
This is
is a
almond
life experience.
flavoring.
Things that because you find Buddha,
So you name
the
it?
journey ends.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What is going on
killing
this?
is a metaphor
Salt.
to say, in there, so you continue the journey. You know, see, if you Christian ever
You
show
see me?
that, when you find Jesus killing, no, because they were using no, so yeah, that you want to kill Jesus. No, because it's a Buddhist saying, it's not.
How do you go to man?
It's not a man outside of Buddhism I said it's not. Because I understand the journey of the spirit, the
spoons of sugar.
that move you.
Just sweeten it, isn't it?
Look at man, if a man say he find God, you have to suspicious of him. You have to suspicious of him, man. And that is what the Christian claim. The Christian say find God in Jesus. Or can you find the I'm gonna put it over them, see. Or can you find the ultimate conditioner and then give character to that condition? Because the only time no,
Yeah,
because
TSC,
you when
no?
you know make him into the person of a human being. And that's why I say you can't do that because we have to know it's
Oh, come on, sir, man.
yes. To where you is because you say God is good. Or you judge good. You judge good based upon a man's interpretation and perception of good. So you can't say God is good then. Because no, God's supposed to be beyond good and evil. So when you say no, God love me. When you say God love you, what you mean? Because now you have a personalized thing on as why God love you. There's 6 billion people in the earth.
One of them I messed up on, I didn't know you get
when you
choose
pray to
two
God,
assignments.
you want to say, if you pray for $500, you get $1,000. I say, God, hear me prayer. And you get the $1,000.
You say God hear your prayer for you.
Some miraculous way of this omnipresent way that in look at each individual and answer each individual prayer according to the prayer that is offered up to him. And if don't answer it, then it's free will. Yeah, you say it's free will.
God not ready to give me that yet, man.
You know, so if it don't answer, you say it's free will. But it answer, it says, yeah. But the condition is not by you, you know. The condition is by this thing that is out here. That I must know, sit down in myself as a human being and give my brains and all my
Where's my
humanness to a being that is created by man in him thinking.
Yeah, man, don't want it firm, don't want it water, isn't it?
At any level of thought. 24 man depend on feel and 24 man pray. 12 man over the shop pray and 12 man over the shop pray. 12 man pray. For win and one lose. So when I tell you to know, God answer the prayer of one lose. It's not because the man make a mistake over the shop. Yeah, it's weird. So I must believe now in that concept for I to be legitimate in the eyes of this society that call themselves a Christian society. You know what I'm saying? Jamaica is a Christian society. People love to repeat that. And I repeat to Jamaica is a Christian society. Of course, it's a Christian society.
Alright,
It
to
is
open
a Christian
butter
society.
up with
Oh, I cannot look on it
pan, you know what I mean?
and then
a
say,
piece of butter.
this is how I want.
Just cut a piece of the margarine and just
Because
run
I'm
it
totally
crack, you know?
disappointed with the society
Yeah, man.
and the people them who govern us. And I know that a lot of Christians out here is very disappointed with the society and the people them who
Do you think all of this are fitting at
people
this?
them who's leading us is Christian-minded people
Oh, true, there are a million times.
who want a different way, but who is going to say the different way if you have a society not like me, you know. If it was in the data say we can't like Ethiopia go say that. Sister, I want to tell you something, you know. The majority of Ethiopians today are Muslims, not Christians again. The majority of Christians today are Muslim, and guess what now?
See it there?
We go in a lalibela, and the man...
There's some people after you butter your pan, you throw it in there, isn't it? It's ready for going in the oven now. Sweet potato pudding, the Top Chef way. Look at that. Yeah, man. So I take about 2 hours or 3 hours for bake right now.
You make a sad mistake because we now keep our mouth.
Alright, ready for go in the oven, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
In a Europe,
Mm-hmm.
in those times, I know burn with fire in the square of Oterios from the first week who come by the continent. The first year with them by the continent. You don't see the Inquisitor come up here for it. And carry going at the middle.
Alright, yeah, man. We see every little bit we left, we just throw up on top there. So me I say give it a glaze about in the next 2 hours we are going to do that. So, what time now? Link up back 2 o'clock. You see me I say, if you know up 2 o'clock, you see me, because I can't go sleep, you know, I have to stay up. Look at that sweet potato pudding. So in 2 hours, we are going to link up back. Big up on yourself. We out. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. Link in the bio, you know, Top Chef Dundyplace.
And also the color. So I want you to leave your honest opinion down in the...
Yeah, man. You don't know. Ready for the road, you know, you see me? But we're going to add the coconut milk on top. Put it back in the oven. And then I eat that after the next 10 minutes. You see me, I say? Look at that. Right, see it? We add the coconut milk on top. Now we're going to put it back in the oven. And I see finished product when it's done. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, pudding ready now, man. Look at that. Yeah, man, make them know say I done the place, you know. Me are the Top Chef, you know. Yeah, man, sweet potato pudding. You see me? Yeah, man, done. Just come out of the oven. Ready for cool down, ready for eat. Yeah, man, we gone.